Hey guys, welcome back to another Random Reviews video. Today I have a 1953 Hudson Hornet plastic model kit to review for you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. First I'm going to take it out of the box here. Set that to the side. Got an instruction manual. This model is made by Mobius Models, and they did a fine job on the illustration on the box and the instructions here. Got the steering wheel there, got the hubcaps, got our white wall tires, got our windshields, and headlights I guess down there. These are all the intricate detailed parts. I guess that's probably the transmission or the engine. The body itself. You know, in my opinion, there's nothing like these old cars. Down here we got the hood, the seat, looks like all the interior. What do we got down here? Those are probably the decals, I'm guessing. Alright. So I'm going to get all this stuff laid out, guys, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I followed the instruction manual as best as I could, and this is what I came up with. Here is the Hudson's engine. Let me quickly zoom in for you. As you can tell, quite the amount of detail on this beauty. And second in line, we have the interior and the frame. You can see the muffler, drive shaft. The interior here, let me show you. Get a close-up of the interior here. Pretty slick. So next up, guys, is my favorite part, which is the paint and detailing. So I'm going to give these a quick prime, and I'll be back. Alright guys, here is the Hudson officially primed and ready for paint. I just quickly threw the car together. Such a slick looking car. Well guys, after playing around with some paint, we have a finished Hudson Hornet. And as you can tell, she is nice and rusty. I will say this did take me a couple of days. Maybe 3, if I'm honest. But let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. if you guys got inspiration from this video and you want to do one of these models like the Rusty Beauty you see here, I highly recommend this rust acrylic paint set. All of this paint here, except for the blue, came from this little kit. So just wanted to throw that in there. But that's going to do it for this one, guys. I do appreciate you watching. And if you did enjoy, hit that like button. It really helps my channel. And leave a comment and let me know what you thought about it below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.